Hey, how's it going, gentlemen? This is Michael, Dapper Man Discussions, Wardrobe Strategies LLC. I had a thought I wanted to run by you. Wanted to let you know that you are necessary. You are important. All right? There's talk out there. There's people saying that men are not. There's people saying that men are not important. There's people saying that men are not necessary. There's people saying that men are useless. And all that's garbage. Don't believe those lies. And if you're down, I want you to know that you can get back up. I've been down before. And I got back up. All right? So, I don't know about you, but I am a Christian. I do believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ. God has never let me down. Right? People will let you down. People have let me down. Okay? I've been through the ringer, and I'm telling you, you are necessary. You're important. There's work that God wants you to do. There's work that only you can do. God put you here for a purpose. You're here for a reason, maybe several reasons. And whether or not you realize it, people do look up to you. There are people who look up to you. There's people who depend on you. Okay? So don't ever give up. Okay? Have faith in yourself. Believe in yourself. There are people out there who will support you. Okay? You're not alone. So don't feel like you gotta throw in the towel. Okay? So hit me up. Links are in the description, my email, my website. You are necessary. If you're down, you can get back up. If you're down, you can get back up. Get back up. All right? God bless you. Take care.